Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this for you. So this is the King C Gillette beard trimmer. So this goes for £36. It's on offer right now for £18. Boots, and what can I say? I got it for free using my Boots points, so it didn't cost me a damn thing. I'm happy about that. Okay, so when I first saw the brand, I thought, is it actual Gillette or some random company? I checked online, it's the actual Gillette company, so you know it's a good brand. So yeah, so you got the beard trimmer. I like the color design as well. It's like a gold, bronzy gold. It's not gold, but like a dark gold, bronze gold, you know. So beard trimmer, fast and easy trimming. So you get the beard trimmer itself, and then you get 3 blades, I believe. Don't know what size they are though. We'll have a look. Oh, these are the size. So the small blade is for 1mm. So the medium blade, which goes from 3 to 11mm. The long one's 13 to 21 if you have a big beard. So maybe you can change the setting. We'll have a look. So it's got lifetime sharp blades, so the blades won't ever go blunt. Wash the heads and combs, so it'll be waterproof, I guess. And let's have a look. Yeah, washable heads and combs, 50 minutes. So full charge gives you 50 minutes, wireless. But most likely it's a European plug, because that's how they always give you. I don't know why. Yeah, let's have a look. There's a security thing there. We don't have any scissors. 1 second, guys. Guys, I managed to take it off now. Alright, let's see what's inside. Nothing else in the box. Brown. That says Gillette, that says brown. Very odd. Let's see if they look the same though. If they don't, then we have been scammed. King CG, yeah. So I'm guessing that's just a brand model name. Oh, it's quite powerful that. You feel a heavy vibration. What the hell does that do? I think that releases the top. I'll have to look. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, I think that releases the. Oh, that's very sharp. Okay. Yep, it's a 2-pin, like I said. So it's not a UK plug, so you're gonna need an adapter of some kind. God damn it. That's another headache. That's your short one. That's your medium length one. I know what that is now. Okay, yeah, so it's for the length. Good deal. Yeah. Oh yeah, the length is there. So you push it in, then push it. Yeah, there you go. Okay, I figured it out now. That's alright. Alright, and this is your medium length one. Good deal. So you got 3, 5, 7, all the way up to 11mm. And how do you take this blade off? Right, let me pause it for a second. Probably could just yank it off, I think. Maybe. Does it say? I don't know. But yeah, it's not bad for the money. Yeah, brush with it as well. What they should have included was some oil, not beard oil, but oil for the machine blades itself. But I guess it's guaranteed for life, so it's no big issue. So yeah, I like this. I actually like this. It's quite nice for £18 as well. Very good deal. Can't go wrong, guys. Very nice, very juicy. Good premium feel as well. Can you see moving? Mud. I like it. That's the charging port, I believe, right at the bottom. Very small one. It's a weird connector. So yeah, I'm very impressed. Highly recommend this. It's got good amount of blade lengths. This one goes all the way to 13, 15, 17, 19 and 21 inches. This one hasn't got any on. This is just a 1mm. 1mm, 3mm. So there's no 2mm. So if you like 2mm, you're out of luck, guys. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm happy with it. Very nice, very good product. Highly recommend. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.